Hey guys, it's Chris coming here with you. I just want to take a look at this Litecoin chart as things have continued to progress. So one thing I noticed, guys, I've been kind of researching patterns and looking at different things, and what we're kind of experiencing here is a falling wedge, okay? Right down into here and through here. And when you see this falling wedge, most of the time, not saying all the time, I'm not a financial advisor, but most of the time a falling wedge is a sign of a bullish market to come, okay? So guys, obviously we had this massive impulse wave, okay? And now for the past 30 days, we've been in this correction, okay? This A, B, C correction. Now we're kind of working sideways a little bit. If you've noticed, the last, I think it's 3 or 4 days, we've kind of been hovering around 175. We get up to 184, kind of bouncing around, okay? So it almost looks like we found that bottom, okay? I'm not telling you that we can't go lower, because this wedge could take us down to this next support line around 147 before we make this next impulse wave. Okay, so that's kind of what I'm looking at here. Going to kind of see how this plays out. I want to see if we can break this line right here. And if we break that line, we're heading back up, guys. But obviously the smart money's just waiting. They're going to see where we bottom out at, and then they're going to put their money in, okay? So here, guys, if you can see down here, we had 4 days in the green, okay, right there. Then we got met with about 3 days here of selling, and now we've been a little mixed here. Very small green, very small red, and we actually might be moving back up, guys. Not 100% positive, still going to continue to look at all this stuff, but that's kind of what I'm following now. And guys, when we see this happen, I want to take a view here, guys. Let's look at just like that. Okay, so let's shrink this up a little bit here. Okay, so when this next move comes in, okay, we're going to follow that trend line. So from here, we're going to bring that up over the top here, guys. Our next wave, serious wave, I feel like could bring us into the $450, $500, guys, okay? So that's kind of what I'm looking at right now. It could take a month. It could take a month and a half. Okay, we got to continue to see how this falling wedge plays out, but that would be my next impulse wave. It's going to take us up above this all-time high, which the wick got up to 420, right up there. And we are going to go beyond that, guys. And a lot of the times, you'll see it even this top here. So we hit it here, and then we moved up another $50. So even $50, say this impulse wave, which I think is going to be bigger because the market structure is getting bigger, more money's getting in. Even if you go 420, you put another 50 on top of that, that puts us at around 400. Let's even put it right there, 470 right there for the next wave. And remember, guys, these waves come in 1, back down to 2, 3 is your largest impulse wave, then 4 coming back down, coming close to the 1, but we don't want to see it go past that 1, and then up to the 5, which is going to be higher than the 3, okay? Remember, 3 in cryptocurrencies, that wave 3 is going to be your biggest wave.